Product risk analysis. Product risk analysis involves identifying and assessing potential issues. Its results shape the depth and scope of testing efforts. The goal is to minimize the likelihood and impact of product failures. Prioritizing critical features helps focus limited resources effectively. Risk identification, finding potential problems. Techniques: brainstorming sessions, checklists review, analysis of historical defect data. Risk types: software bugs, security vulnerabilities, performance bottlenecks, usability and reliability issues, new features relying on unvetted third-party libraries. Risk assessment, evaluating the impact. Analysis factors: likelihood, risk probability, impact, severity of failure. Risk assessment can use a quantitative or qualitative approach, or a mix of them. Risk matrix combines likelihood and impact to assign priority. High likelihood plus high impact equals critical risk. Medium likelihood plus high impact equals high risk. Low likelihood plus low impact equals low priority. Buffer overflow risk rated high severity, medium probability. Influencing testing strategy. High-risk focus. Conduct more rigorous, extensive testing. Low-risk approach. Apply targeted or less extensive testing methods. Guided test design. Risk analysis informs test case and coverage decisions. Dynamic review. Regularly update risk assessments to refine testing. Product risk analysis may influence the thoroughness and scope of testing. Its results are used to determine the scope of testing to be carried out, determine the particular test levels and proposed test types to be performed, determine the test techniques to be employed and the coverage to be achieved, estimate the test effort required for each task, prioritize testing in an attempt to find the critical defects as early as possible, determine whether any activities in addition to testing could be employed to reduce risk.